Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Sri Hari Science Classes. Today I am going to discuss one of the topic that is the expressing concentration of solutions. Concentration of the solutions. So that is expressing in some methods. They are the mass percentage, volume percentage, third one is mass by volume percentage, fourth one parts per million, ppm, mole fraction, molality, molarity. So these are the some of the methods are using to explain the concentration of the solution. So first, what's the means of concentration? So before that, I am writing here solution. Solution that may be containing two or more than two components. For example, here I am taking only the binary solution. So binary solution means this kind of solution containing only two components. One is the solute, another one is the solvent. And then here we have to say about what's the means of concentration. Concentration means how much of solute particles are present in a solvent. So that is said to be concentration of the solution. So now we will discuss about the methods which are using for expressing the concentration of the solutions. First one is mass percentage. Small w by capital W is the symbol for that. And mass percentage of a component is equals to mass of the component in the solution divided by total mass of the solution into 100. So this is about the mathematical expression for the mass percentage of a component. So for example, if a solution is described as 10% glucose in water by mass, so they said 10% glucose in water by mass. So 10% glucose in water by mass. That means 10 grams of glucose dissolved in 90 grams of water, resulting in 100 grams of solution. So 10% glucose in water by mass means 10 grams of glucose that is dissolved in the 90 grams of water. So now the total solution, so weight becomes 100 grams. So that is the solution. So that is about the mass percentage of a component. Now the second one is volume percentage, small v by capital V. Volume percentage of a component that is defining as that is equals to volume of the component divided by total volume of the solution into 100. So that is about the mathematical expression for volume percentage. And I am giving one of the example already written on the board. So that is, for example, 10% ethanol solution in water. 10% ethanol solution in water. So that means 10 ml of ethanol, so that is dissolved in 90 ml of the water, resulting in the solution of how much? 100 ml. So that is about the 10% ethanol solution in water. Next one, mass by volume percentage. So it is defined as the mass of the solute dissolved in 100 ml of the solution. So that means how much of mass of solute is dissolving in 100 ml of the solution, that is known as mass by volume percentage. So this method generally using in medicine and pharmacy. So that is about mass by volume percentage. Next one is parts per million, simply ppm. It is equals to number of parts of the component divided by total number of parts of all components of the solution into 10 power 6. So for example, if we are taking 1 million of parts of all the components present in the solution, in that 1 million of parts of all the components of the solution, how many number of parts of a component is present? So that is generally known as parts per million. So this is the method generally using when the solute, so present in a solution in a small quantities, that means in traces. So when the solute particles are present in traces in the solution, then only parts per million, that is the method is using for expressing the concentration of the solution. So for example, pollutants. So some pollutants are present in the air, that is atmosphere. So pollutants concentration, that is expressing in ppm, so which are present in the atmosphere. So in those like cases we using the ppm method. The method is mole fraction. Mole fraction of a component, that is defining as the ratio between number of moles of the component and total number of moles of all the components in the solution. So this ratio is generally known as mole fraction of a component. And for example, two components are present in a solution, A and B, and Na represents the number of moles of A component, Nb is the symbol that represents the number of moles of the B component. So I am here writing mole fraction of A component, capital A component. So I am using one of the symbol, that is X suffix A. That means it means mole fraction of A component. It is equals to, according to this, number of moles of the component. Number of moles of the component, that is Na. Total number of moles of all the components in solution, that means total number of moles of all the components means Na plus Nb. So this is about the mathematical expression for mole fraction of A component. Similarly, I am writing the mole fraction of B component, so that is indicating with the symbol X suffix B, and here N suffix B divided by Na plus Nb. It means number of moles of the B component divided by total number of moles of all the components in the solution, that is Na plus Nb. So that is about the Xb. And in any solution, always the sum of mole fractions of all the components, that is equals to 1. So that is about the mole fraction. So this is one of the method is using for expressing the concentration of the solution. Now the next one is molality. Symbol for this small m. Molality is defined as the number of moles of the solute present in 1 kilogram of the solvent. So that is the definition of molality. Here I am written the mathematical expression for the molality. So molality small m equals moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. So that means how many number of moles of solute present or dissolved in 1 kilogram of the solvent, that is known as molality. And another mathematical equation I am written here, small m equals small n, it represents moles of solute, divided by small a, it represents mass of solvent in kilograms, or small m equals, in the place of n I am written weight divided by molecular weight, so it represents moles of solute into 1 by a in kilograms. Or for example, if we are taken the solvent in grams, so this is the equation applicable when we are taking the solvent in grams. So molality, that is equals weight divided by molecular weight into 1000 divided by a in grams. So this is the equation or mathematical expression we using when the solvent is taken in grams. So this equation is applicable when the solvent in kilograms. So that is about the molality. Next method is molarity. Symbol for this capital M. Molarity is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So this is the definition of molarity. It means how many number of solute particles are dissolved in 1 liter of solution, that is known as molarity. So this is the mathematical expression for molarity. Molarity is equals to moles of solute divided by volume of solution in 1 liter. Moles of solute, small n is the symbol for this. Volume of solution in 1 liter, symbol for this V. And M equals to weight divided by molecular weight into 1 by volume in liters. YD divided by molecular weight, it represents number of moles of solute, small n. 1 by volume in liters. Volume is the solution volume. Or M equals W by MW, that means weight divided by molecular weight into 1000 by V in milliliters. So this is the mathematical expression generally we using when the solution volume is taken in milliliters. So that is about the molarity. So this is about the some of the methods which are using for expressing the concentration of a solutions. So in the next class we will discuss about another topic. Thank you for watching.